So I didn't record doing it, but I put tape and cardboard down underneath to keep spiders out. And then I cut some pieces of plywood since I needed to because I put the cardboard in there, I don't have room for 2x4s. Because I don't have room for 2x4s and I still wanted some bracing underneath the bottom shelf, I cut pieces of plywood, made little ledges to set them on, and screwed those in. And then I first did the orientation wrong, figured it out before I cut the plywood, luckily, did the orientation right, and screwed it down. And that worked all good. So that shelf should work. Well, that worked. It's not everything I needed to do or want to do for further cleanup, but I at least was able to put some cardboard at the bottom and tape around the bottom to keep spiders and stuff from going up in the base. Everything that I can get to underneath, I can clean if need be with compressed air or whatnot. So that should be fine. I put the braces going across so that with the heavy motor and other things that are sitting on there, it won't cause the plywood to sag. I still need to take that printer apart, but for now it can go there instead of sitting on the desk. The desk is out of the way. So far at least the stuff is cleaned off, the empty boxes that were on top. I have to figure out where to put the plywood, but that's minimal. I at least used some of the pieces to put braces in. And I still have to put this stack of plywood that I got to make the drawers. I have to put that somewhere because I need the table saw to make the drawers, and that's under there. And this is the jointer mess. Now that this is done, lathe is out of the way. I have the stuff that was sitting there underneath, so that's out of the way. The metal can or underneath the shirt is the lathe tools with the drill bits. I didn't want to have those out in case I move. There's nothing worse than you're moving your hand to get out of the way of something and you stab it on a drill bit. Well, maybe there is, but that's one of the worst things. Any other sharp objects is about equivalent. But for now, that's good. So I still have to figure out what to do with the school desk, and there's a little short chair. I may take those to donate something, but yeah, it's getting there. It's at least out of the way, and I have my work area back. So now I can get back to doing jointer work or jointer restoration work or playing with the jointer or playing with paint, all the various things. Fun.